Hey you guys, today I will be doing a wash and go and I'll be collaborating with fellow blogger Belle and Bloom. And for today we'll be collaborating on curls. I will be doing a wash and go and she will be doing a twist out. So be sure to check the description box below to click the link and see how Belle and Bloom's curls turned out. Meanwhile, stay tuned, check my video, and let's get this started. As you can see, I completely saturated my hair before going in with the Bluberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. With this leave-in conditioner, a little bit goes a long way, so I use just a little bit, dime size. Then I go in with my paddle brush. While detangling, I realized that this leave-in is amazing. Look at the curls, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to go in with the Bluberry Bliss Control Jelly. Once again, I use just a little bit and I completely coat my hair and rake it through. Look at the definition. It's so pretty. Love it. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps throughout all the sections of my hair.
Sing like I'm Jodeci, even write you poetry. You are living poetry. Baby, won't you roll with me so you can be my black African queen? Baby, you the standard. Baby, you the answer. Won't you be my black African queen? Baby, you the standard. Baby, you the answer. You should be my black African queen. Baby, you the standard. Baby, you the answer. Won't you be my black African queen? Baby, you the answer. Black. That's the package that you came in. African, Ethiopian, Nubian, melanin. Baby, that's your brown skin. You should let me drown in. Let me hold you down in. Hey, let's talk about your...
When I get to the front of my hair and in the middle, I do the finger coil method because my hair texture is different around that area. It's more of a wavy than a curly pattern, so it needs that extra oomph. I also do the scrunching method to help the curls clump together.
Even to my lot queens, oh, you give me lot dreams.
Now that I've finished the whole application process, parts of my hair is defined, some are not as defined as I'd like, but let's see how it looks tomorrow.
Black African queen, baby, you the standard. Baby, you the answer. Won't you be my black African queen? Baby,
Obviously, my hair got way more shrinkage than I expected, but I have something to solve that.
Baby, you the answer. Won't you be my black African queen? Baby, you the answer.
When my hair has way more shrinkage than anticipated, I like to go in with a blow dryer to stretch out my roots. And once I do that, then my hair is longer and more voluminous and tend to last longer in a wash and go state.
Hips, girl. Shout out to them hips, girl.
Stretching out my roots, I tend to go in small sections just to make sure I get the roots straightened as much as I want without straightening out my whole hair. So, just take your time and enjoy the process.
The hook again after that. But only drop it without the dub. Black African queen, baby, you the standard. Baby, you the answer. Won't you be my black African queen? Baby, you the standard. Baby, you the answer. You should be my black African queen. Baby, you the standard. Baby, you the answer. Won't you be my black African queen? Baby, you the answer.
As you guys can see, this product caused major shrinkage, so bear in mind when you're using this. As I continue to stretch out the other side, I clip the previous side to keep it from reverting. And once I'm all done, I take it down. Then I go in with my pick and start picking out my roots. As you can see, it's growing more and more voluminous and beautiful. I'm loving the curls.
Thank you, Mr. Brooks.
I was so happy when I was done, you guys. My hair was so voluminous and bouncy. I was such a happy camper. Loved it.
Drown in, let me hold you down in. Hey, melanin is how you made.
Let's get into the ugly truth, you guys. Later on that day, my hair was so dry and it lost its texture and definition, it was a hot mess. So I was highly disappointed that this beautiful bouncy curls and wash and go did not last long.
You are living poetry, baby. Won't you roll with me so you can be my black?